Welcome to our episode of Scrapneek TV. Today I'll be talking about how to blur a background in a photo and doing it in Photoshop Elements. So this is a really easy process. I've got a picture here and here's my son and we're in the middle, and I kind of want the main focus to be on him and his toys here at the beach. So to get that, I'm going to blur out some of this background to just make him pop a little bit more. Okay, so to do this, I've already turned the layer to a layer and made it the original, and I'm just going to copy it and copy it again. And the second one here, I'm going to put bottom, and the top one is where we're going to do the blurring, so I'm going to just call it the blur layer. Okay, we're going to apply a mask, which is this little rectangle with the circle in the middle. And there we've got our mask applied. Now we want to click back so that, see this little blue box, light blue box goes around our photo. And filter, blur, go to Gaussian blur. I hope I'm saying that right. And the preview box is on, so it gives us an idea. And I like to do this between 10 and 15 pixels. Get it to something you like. You don't want it to be a drastic blur in the background. You still want to be able to see what's going on. So click OK to apply that. Now we're going to go back and highlight the Gaussian blur, the mask part I mean. So make sure that the light blue box is around there. And we could use black paint and our paintbrush and paint what we want to not be blurry. But, undo that. I actually, in this case, prefer to work on what I want to blur and paint the part that I'm going to blur. So as I've said before, black hides, white reveals. So in this case, the white is revealing the blur everywhere. So make sure that the white is highlighted or active and do Command-I or Control-I if you're on a PC. And then make sure that this is white, your paintbrush is white, and that you're going to be painting on here. If the picture is highlighted, then, I guess we can't see it, but it actually puts the black paint on it. So we don't want to do that. I'm just going to go back and take that off. So make sure that the black box is highlighted and that we have the white ink, and we're going to reveal the blurry parts that we want. So we can just kind of go through. I'm not going to blur the sand because I want it to kind of pop out. Just going to blur the water and the homes in the background and all the kids, and I'm leaving kind of a wide area around. And I'll show you why in just a sec. So, as you can see, there's a little bit of a harsh line where you can see it goes from non-blurry, from sharp to blurry. So if we change this color and just add a little bit of gray to it, that will still reveal most of it, but it will help give a little more blend. And you can even go a little bit closer, get a little bit of his hair, because you want it blended. You really don't want this like sharp edge there. Okay, and there you go. There you have it. It makes your subject pop that much more. And now you can just merge those two layers and it makes it permanent. Here's before and after.